Welcome to a comprehensive structural market analysis designed for the discerning institutional investor. Today, we dissect the intricate interplay between global macro trends and India's burgeoning investment landscape. We observe a period defined by both geopolitical volatility and profound technological shifts, demanding a highly nuanced approach to capital allocation. Understanding these structural undercurrents is paramount for long-term value creation, enabling us to identify high-conviction opportunities and manage emergent risks effectively across diverse asset classes and geographies. Global energy markets remain acutely sensitive to geopolitical shifts, with recent developments signaling a cautious de-escalation of US-Iran tensions. This has led to temporary moderation in crude prices, yet the underlying fragility of supply chains and the strategic importance of regions like the Strait of Hormuz mean persistent supply risks could spark a rapid rebound. Russia's reported fuel shortages further underscore the delicate balance in global energy infrastructure, suggesting a latent capacity constraint. We place energy commodities on a breakout watch given this inherent geopolitical volatility and potential for price expansion under renewed pressure, warranting close monitoring of energy futures and related equities. The U.S. political and regulatory environment continues to introduce significant structural shifts impacting various sectors. Recent Supreme Court rulings on the Federal Reserve and Federal Trade Commission, particularly regarding presidential powers over independent regulators, are reshaping governance frameworks and influencing the long-term autonomy of key economic institutions. Furthermore, discussions around Pentagon defense contractors and stock buybacks, alongside the intricacies of Trump account contributions, reflect an evolving intersection of capital markets and political influence. These decisions establish critical precedents that will inform corporate strategy, capital allocation, and market structure. The technology sector is undergoing rapid transformation, driven by both innovation and strategic consolidation. We observe significant activity in the space economy, highlighted by SpaceX's substantial $25 billion bond sale and the surge in related companies like Rocket Lab, further amplified by an $8 billion space consolidation deal. Meanwhile, major corporate players like Comcast are pursuing significant structural changes, spinning off key assets like NBC Universal and Sky to unlock shareholder value. Salesforce's aggressive AI acquisition strategy signals a broader industry pivot, yet some analysts express trim consideration regarding valuation extensions within the AI ecosystem. Micron's post-earnings volatility also underscores the nuanced sentiment within the semiconductor space. Global economic indicators present a complex but critical picture. Citi Wealth has issued a trim consideration on holding excess cash, citing persistent inflation, suggesting a need for active portfolio management to preserve real returns. Expectations around the upcoming U.S. jobs report will heavily influence market sentiment, while the Japanese yen's depreciation against major currencies to a 40-year low is reshaping global trade and investment flows. Central banks globally, including the Mexico Central Bank with its new bond buying tool, are actively managing liquidity, reflecting ongoing efforts to stabilize financial systems in the face of evolving macroeconomic pressures. European banking systems, as noted by Lagarde, are showing increased resilience, but vigilance remains key to systemic stability. Institutional capital continues to seek structural alpha across global markets. Reports indicate significant demand for SpaceX's bond offerings and JP Morgan's efforts in the private money bond market, highlighting robust appetite for structured credit and specialized fixed income. The rising adoption of tokenization beyond traditional crypto assets, as discussed by B, signifies a nascent but potentially transformative shift in financial market infrastructure, allowing for new forms of capital deployment and liquidity. Furthermore, the focus on addressing AI job losses by former governors signals a growing awareness of the socio-economic impacts of technological advancement, a key consideration for long-term ESG integration. These thematic flows underscore strategic shifts in institutional allocation. India's capital markets are witnessing robust primary market activity and significant structural reform. The surge in IPO filings, including Ishwari Global Metal Industries and Pristine Logistics, indicates strong investor appetite for new listings. Regulatory shifts by BSE on market data licensing, effective January 2027, and the impressive growth of GIFT Nifty's open interest signal deepening market infrastructure. While some IPOs, such as Turtlemint Fintech, have struggled post-listing, others like Astha Spintech show steady starts. The anticipated mega IPOs of NSE and Jio underscore the maturity and scale of India's market, emphasizing valuation discipline over sheer size. We place many emerging primary issues on breakout watch for potential listing gains, contingent on valuation metrics. India's infrastructure and real estate sectors continue to be pivotal drivers of economic growth. Major investment announcements, such as Omax's 6,200 crore rupees plan for 19 hotels and Puravankara's 1,000 crore rupees housing project in Bengaluru, highlight strong development momentum and sustained demand. The approval of the PFC-REC merger signifies strategic consolidation within the power finance and infrastructure funding space, bolstering the long-term outlook for public sector entities critical for national growth. Despite recent declines in housing sales due to external geopolitical factors, the fundamental domestic demand and government impetus create breakout watch scenario for the sector. Astral's recent share movement following demerger news, however, warrants careful, trim consideration given the potential for revaluation. The Indian financial sector remains dynamic, characterized by significant capital raising and strategic investments, underscoring its deepening market infrastructure. Yes Bank's plan to raise up to $1.7 billion via equity and debt demonstrates ongoing efforts to strengthen balance sheets and expand lending capacity. Institutional investors like UTI MF and ICICI Prudential MF are actively acquiring stakes in key entities such as MCX India and Pondy Oxides, indicating strong conviction in select financial market participants and specialized commodity exchanges. The broader banking, power finance, and infrastructure segments are identified as primary leaders for the next leg of market rally, underscoring their structural importance to economic growth. Active fund management in this space can present compelling opportunities. India is rapidly embracing digital transformation, with artificial intelligence at its forefront. NPCI's proactive move to leverage AI for fraud prevention highlights the critical role of technology in securing the nation's burgeoning digital payments ecosystem. Furthermore, Blue Star's strategic pivot towards data centers for long-term growth, despite short-term margin pressures, signifies the expanding digital infrastructure demand driven by cloud adoption and AI processing. The recent sharp decline in Persistent shares, linked to concerns about the Nagro deal, serves as a trim consideration alert for investors navigating M&A complexities within the tech services space, where integration risk is material. Macquarie's observation about AI rolling bubbles globally resonates with India's evolving tech landscape. Across various Indian sectors, corporate actions and performance narratives are diverse, offering both opportunities and areas for caution. Bajaj Auto's upcoming buyback offer provides an immediate return opportunity for tendering shareholders, signaling prudent capital management. Aurobindo Pharma and a cohort of mid-cap stocks have demonstrated strong rallies, hitting 52-week highs, suggesting a breakout watch for quality growth stories with robust fundamentals. Conversely, the Nifty Auto Index has experienced significant losses, indicating a trim consideration for overextended positions in the sector due to underlying pressures. HAL's final dividend announcement reinforces shareholder returns from established public sector enterprises, while Netweb Tech's decline before a board meeting merits attention. Indian equity markets exhibit a delicate balance, swayed by both domestic fundamentals and international factors. Sensex and Nifty have shown marked volatility, with recent downward movements influenced by global cues like Iran tensions and a focus on US economic data, highlighting global interconnectedness. The rupee's fluctuations, impacted by tepid stocks and geopolitical events, add another layer of complexity for foreign investors. While FIIs have doubled stakes in several high-performing stocks, indicating selective conviction, the overall market sentiment remains sensitive. Upcoming market holidays also warrant planning for trading liquidity. The current environment calls for a breakout watch on sectors attracting consistent institutional flows, while advising trim consideration for broad market positions showing signs of overextension or negative thematic shifts. Synthesizing our global and Indian analyses, several critical cross-market themes emerge. The pervasive influence of AI, from fraud prevention in India to Salesforce acquisition strategy globally, is undeniable, creating both productivity gains and complex ethical considerations. Geopolitical risks, initially impacting oil and global sentiment, are also registering in Indian bond markets and influencing real estate sales, demonstrating capital flow sensitivity. The strategic imperative for institutional capital to identify structural trends remains paramount, particularly as the US dollar continues to be a safe haven asset. Ongoing discussions about defense contractor buybacks and the transparency of large bond sales highlight increasing scrutiny on corporate governance and capital allocation efficiency across developed markets, demanding greater accountability. In summary, the investment landscape is characterized by distinct yet interconnected structural narratives. India is positioned for robust growth, driven by infrastructure, domestic consumption, and digital adoption, presenting numerous breakout watch opportunities in specific sectors and emerging IPOs. Concurrently, global macro trends, particularly in energy, technology, and regulatory shifts, necessitate careful, trim consideration for overextended positions and proactive risk management. A balanced and structurally focused approach, discerning between transient volatility and enduring thematic shifts, will be key to navigating the coming investment cycles, prioritizing long-term value creation over short-term fluctuations.